Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds Moto Buds 270 from your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here at the right side we have a button Disconnect. So you need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So when you select to Disconnect, you will stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but you leave them at the device list. And if you select to unpair your earbuds, you will totally remove them from your phone. So if you need this, just select Forget button. Or on your phone it may be unpair or forget device button. But let's disconnect them. So disconnect. And as I said, I have them at the device list, but I stop Bluetooth connection with them. And I can easily reconnect these earbuds by just tap on them, if these earbuds are not connected with another device. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!